Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an important tool which will be very helpful for us to search the research papers. It is a biggest search engine. We already discussed many AI tools regarding this search engine, how to search a research paper and how to communicate with the recent research paper. So like that we have discussed. This will be one of the important and very effective tool to search your research paper recently related and closely related research paper easily. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tool. So this is the tool what we are going to discuss today is that Litmaps. So literature map software for lit reviews and research. This is a special software especially for your research. So literature map software to visualize, expand and communicate your literature research expertise. So just to click on that link, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So this is the dashboard of this Litmaps. So already we have seen in our presentations, that is, so this is the tool that is which is very close to your that is searching paper, that is Iris AI, connected papers and Skyspace. So these are the papers where you can use to these are the tools where you can use to search your research paper very easily. As in this line you will be having Litmaps also. So let us explore that Litmaps, how it will works out. So there are 4 different options in Litmaps: discover, visualize, share and monitor. In discover you will be having discover academic papers you didn't know you needed through automatic citation searching. Next, you visualize your search results in a Litmap and see how the articles link to each other by tracking citations. This is what we have already discussed in iris.ai. So here also it will work out. Next one is share, collaborate with your colleagues, share your Litmaps to show, export your Litmaps to show your work. Next, let Litmaps monitor your searches in background for new article you might otherwise miss out it. So generally we have already discussed that we use it to search in Google Scholar. So you search up to Google Scholar and any other platform, and we will search up to 1 or 2 pages. Probably that the closely related paper will be in 6th or 7th page. We probably miss that paper which is very close to our title, which will be available in 6th or 7th page. So thereby these type of tools can be very helpful to search very closely related paper for your area. So just I am going to type multi-port converters. So this is the area I have chosen for. For example, here you will be having different options here. A novel multi-port converters switching scheme to integrate multiple energy, that is renewable energy sources. So what I am going to do is I am going to just click on that particular topic, that is paper. So here you can see, so this is the paper. So how it is closely related with this other papers, here you can see a graph is formed. You can see discover 20 more related papers. So I am going to click this one. So sensorless control method for dual permanent magnet synchronous motor driven by 5 lakh voltage source inverter. So next one, this is a design and implementation of multi-port converter using Z source. Next one you can see, so these are the different papers which is related with that particular multi-port. So here I am going to click see maps show the top 20 citations and references related to a single article. So I am going to click view results. So in that you will be having that recently published paper related with your work, that is multi-port converter. So you can see performance enhancement of multi-port bidirectional DC to DC converter using. So here you can see the silent back propagation neural network method. Next article, this one, compensation alternatives for power sharing mismatch in multi-port DC to AC converters. Next, this is the paper. You can have the details, references, citations, and also you will be having abstract and DOA of that particular paper. So like that it will generate closely related paper with your topic. Next, design and implementation of multi-port converter using Z source converter. So you will be having again references cited by So like that you will be having the paper. So like that you can see the recent related paper using this Litmaps. So you can make use of this option to search using this Litmaps also. Okay, just coming back. The fastest way to get started with a new article or research topic, so you can click any title or paper. For example, I am going to give grid connected PV system. So I am going to give enter. Let us see. So it will generate paper related to grid connected PV system. So analysis and measurement of simulated performance of grid connected PV system in eastern India. Control and performance analysis of a single stage utility scale grid connected PV system. So like that it will generate grid connected PV system related papers, recently related papers. So like that you can make use of this option using this Litmaps, and you can make your references very strengthful by adding a closely related papers with your area you have chosen or the particular that is, for example, if you are choosing a wide topic, means we can select references. You will be having option of selecting references widely. So if you selected a particular topic of research, so for example, if you are selecting a particular technique or a particular controller, you have to search references for particular controller and that is technique itself. So in that you will be very concise about how you have to select your reference paper. Thereby the quality of your literature survey will get very better. So this is the important option I have to tell that. So the important thing in a research paper is that how you can make your literature survey, and then that is a literature review, and then how you are going to conclude your problem statement. From the problem statement, how you are going to go for your proposed topology. So this is a important thing where your research paper, the probability of getting selected in any journals will be very more. So you will be very concise about your references and literature review writing in your research paper. That will be very helpful for you to that is easily publish your paper in your journals. So this is all about this Litmaps. So you can make use of this option in this Litmaps, and you can discover different papers related with your particular area you have chosen for your research. So this is a fantastic tool for your searching, that is especially for new researchers who are starting their research work. So you can make use of this option. I have already told we have another tools, that is Iris AI connected paper size space. So you can to watch out that tools also. We have already made a video regarding that tools. So you can make use of these tools to search your paper also. Another important announcement is that we are going to conduct a workshop on supercharge your research papers conference and journal writing with ChatGPT and AI toolbox on 29 July 23. So the details of this workshop will be given in this video description. So you can make use of this option and join in our workshop and get aware about AI tools, how you can write AI tools, how you can write research paper using AI tools and using ChatGPT. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.